So friends, here we are in the characteristics number 23 of successful people. They are interested in results. So basically, if you analyze the successful people, they will not give value to effort, they will not give value to work, they will not give value to the time spent uh, in doing the work. They will only value the result, the outcome. So this is one of the characteristics of successful people. On the other hand, if you see the unsuccessful people, they only think about how much time they have spent in doing one work, and how much attempts they have taken. So they will value that. But the successful people, they will focus only on result, irrespective of the challenges coming into their way. So I will come with this the 20